Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I created this look for Valentine's, and now this is a look kind of like if you're not really feeling Valentine's, you just want to sit down and play with some makeup or something like that. I just think it's more of a sad Valentine's look. These are obviously tears with hearts. I don't know why, but this was just a concept that I came up with. And you know, we have the sleepy eyes, the not so perfect looking lips. I think it just kind of brings in that like not so happy vibe if that makes any sense. Even though I think Valentine's is a beautiful time to spread love to anyone, not just a significant other. But I know that some people do feel extra lonely on Valentine's Day, and if any of you guys are feeling lonely, feel free to DM me, message me. I'm always here to talk. And I love you all so much, and I hope you enjoy this sad Valentine's look. Alright, so I obviously don't have any makeup on right now. I definitely need to put some on because your girl's looking rough. So I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation and just put that all over my face and then set it. I'm not doing anything crazy with the face makeup because it is all about the art that we're going to draw on our face. Alright, so while we're here, I'm done with the base. I'm just going to quickly do my eyebrows. Again, just how I normally do them. We're going to get through the face and those things super fast. I have foundation all up in my eyebrows, and I hate that, so we're going to fix that right now. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with these two pinks mixed together on a tinier brush. Actually, I'm going to take this flat shader brush and I'm going to take it on that thin part, and I'm going to go ahead and just kind of run that into my crease, but on the inner part of my crease. You guys will see right now. I am going to go ahead and take a little fluffy brush with this shade right here and this shade, and I'm just going to kind of go back and forth, and I'm going to create dark circles. I'm just going to pack that in where my dark circles would be. And create some dark circles like that. Alrighty. And now I'm going to take a bit of my Suva Beauty Hydra Liner in the shade Bomb AF. I'm going to get that wet. And then I'm going to go in with my Suva Beauty 630 little liner brush. And I'm going to go ahead and create some liquid liner with this. Okay, so I'm just going to leave the liquid eyeliner like that, and then I'm going to go ahead and pull some into that inner corner. So that is what the liner looks like. It's really wet still. So I'm going to go ahead and let that dry, and while that's drying, I'm going to go ahead and do the next eye. Alright, so that is the liquid eyeliner all done, and for now I'm just going to leave the eyes like this, and I'm going to go ahead and work on the face art, the tears, and then we'll go ahead and just like put on everything else. So with that same Hydra liner little brush, I'm going to go ahead and start creating a tear connecting from this little inner corner liner that we did. I'm going to create a little drop. allow that to dry before I continue, because you can't really move your eye because there's like little, at least I have creases under my eyes. Some people don't and they're lucky, but I do. But this needs to dry before I move on to the next part. And I'm going to create a heart shape. And I'm going to create that an elongated heart. And I'm going to create a smaller little heart right here at the bottom. I'm going to create a little drip, like a smaller one. Do the same thing with a little tiny little drop. As if it was dripping off, just like that. I actually don't love this small little heart, so Alright, so I don't know, it's not the prettiest, that heart, but it's okay. We're gonna keep moving on. And I'm gonna go ahead and create this drop right here, which I'm gonna do the same kind of heart that I did there. And then one teardrop coming from the outer corner of my eye. I went ahead and removed that heart, and now I'm going to try to mimic like this same exact little heart on this side. My dog is sniffing my knee. Alright, so I'm going to stop while I'm ahead with all of that. And now I'm going to take, what am I going to do? I'm going to go over those dark circles because it's less prominent now that I have the rest of this makeup on. So I'm just going to kind of go over that, those dark circles. I'm gonna go ahead and add freckles just because I feel like freckles are very like, oh, so cute. I'm going in with my Item Beauty eyebrow pencil and creating some freckles. Okay, so those are the freckles on. I'm gonna go ahead and go with a little brush. And I'm going to go in with this Wet n Wild Color Conic blush in the shade. It looks like this. I'm going to just go over my nose. Excuse me, I was like in the middle of a burp. And then just dab it along. And that is almost it. We're basically almost done. I'm going to go ahead and go to my white Suva Beauty liner in the shade Space Panda. And that same little brush, I wiped it off with that little liner and the white. I'm going to create highlights within like the drops. I'm going to come as close as I can to you guys. I have not been close to you guys at all this whole tutorial. I need to work on that. I need to work on being closer to you guys in all the ways. So I'm just going to create little highlights. So with a little flat shader brush. I'm gonna go in with just a basic brown. And I'm going to put some shadows. Just along the tears. And now I'm going to go ahead and apply mascara, lashes, and then we'll come back. We'll come back for the lips. Okay, so now for lips, what I was thinking is like that ombre lip look. So I'm going to go ahead and take a little angled brush with that same color that I used to create my eye bags. And I'm just going to lightly use that eyeshadow as some lip liner and just line my lips. Just like that. And just get right under here. And then I'm gonna kind of just go in the creases with that same shade. And then I'm going to go ahead and take that flat shader brush with some red eyeshadow and place that on the inside of my lips. And then I'm going to take a tinted chapstick. This is the shade. Let me show you so you guys can... That's what it looks like. It's kind of like a berry color. And I'm just going to place that on the very inside. And dab it around. So that is what the lips are looking like, and I think we are done. I'm just gonna figure out if my hair looks good like this, and we are good to go. Alrighty guys, so this is the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, the lighting just changed like crazy, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.